if you go in India, there is a countryside. Women do not have an access to banking, finance, income generation. They are selling fruits. They are selling milk. They are doing their business on the street. Banks are not opening the account. These women are not an affordable client because they have too small savings. And so we decided and we applied for the banking license. Mandeshi Mahila Bank is the first rural women's bank. But then women said that we want to set up a business. Mandeshi Business School was started. Mandeshi Chambers of Commerce was started. We operate in 3 states of India and we have impacted 1 million women. In India, microcredit is very popular. Women were taking loans, but in a group. They were not getting loans individually. Majority of the women all over the world are not owning properties, and particularly in country like India, they are below 20%. So then how will they bring collateral? They cannot get collateral, and if they don't have collateral, they don't have credit score, they will not get access to capital. Women have their businesses. They may have some assets like gold, like machinery. That's how we started building pre-credit score for women-owned enterprise and for women so that they can get access to loans. What were the things which were required? The ID proof, their digital transactions, their scale of business, their working capital, and what are the assets they own. We started giving weightage to each category and then created that score. And based on that score, women can go to the bank and get the loan. To bring at one place was not very easy. Women would get tired and they would drop out from taking loan. They were dropping out from their business also. Can we ease the lives of these women who are doing business in such a challenging situation where they can get their credit score, they can get their documentation easily, and bankers can also get it at one place. So Algorand came up, this solution can be worked out on blockchain. I'm not a technical person. I don't know about Web3, Web2, but one thing I am very confident about, that if the solutions are eased and simple, they would like their data to be put on these platforms so that whenever it is required to get an access to loan, they can give it to the bankers. When we were working on these solutions, number 1, our women will own data. Number 2, it has to be protected. Number 3, even the banks get an access. Our women have an app on their cell phone. All the data is updated in their DigiLocker. So when this pre-credit score with all other documents were put on this platform and the token was created, which was shared with the banker, bankers felt that this is such a great solution that they can get all the data at one place. With pre-credit score, it becomes easier for them to give loans to women. That is the beauty of this partnership of Mandeshi and Algorand. That token empowers women to get the loan, but once she gets, again that data is under the control of women. They can come on this platform, get their data protected, get their data onboarded, and get bankers to come forward, create a soft collateral, create a pre-credit rating tool, score, and get an access to loan. Not only gives a confidence to women to get an access to loan, but it de-risks the bankers. So lenders can come, borrowers can come, and with the facility of DigiLocker, data can be protected at every level. We did a launching in May 2025. Nearly more than 600 women have onboarded on this platform, and nearly more than 500 women have gotten access to loan. It is a platform for banking sector. We are going and graduating from microcredit to micro enterprise, and I'm looking forward that thousands and thousands of women will get the access to capital. These women will set up the business, scale the business, and they will create jobs for other women. We have started with 500 women-owned enterprise. I'm sure that out of these, our 500,000 women are ready to get onboarded. Once they are ready, so millions of women will be onboarded, and it is not only solution for India, but it is a solution for global South. A lot of studies shows that it requires 135 years to close the gender gap. We just don't want to wait for that long. This partnership with multiple stakeholders will close the gender gap in our lifetime.